Is it worth $500? I don't know. What do we have here? A little personal protection from our friends over in Canada. That was a weird sound. But yeah, so welcome to an unboxing. This is not a traditional tech unboxing that I normally do. This is a kind of ultimate face mask for $379 to $500 to $1,800, depending on which model you get. So welcome, we're gonna start unboxing this. Check out the exterior of the box. You get a big blue circle on the front. I don't know what that means. On the back, you get a look at what you're getting here. So we get a lot of stuff it appears that this thing can do. Lightweight, it's protective, you know, for the COVIDs. It has peripheral windows so you can see around yourself because you're gonna look like a Martian when you put this thing on. Let's see, what else do we have? We have a neoprene vest. There's vests involved here and gloves. There's a lot more here than I thought. I thought it was just gonna be like a hat that you put on and you're like, hey, I'm out of the house, see ya. But apparently there's gloves and a vest. So. And it's easy to clean. All right, let's open it up. You know, I just wanna see what it does, what happens here, so. Boom. Unboxing experience. Lots of plastic. Let's see here. It's pretty much just an empty box with your product placed inside. VYZR Technologies. And preface this, I did not buy this for myself. This was my friend Max. Check out his channel. But yeah, I didn't buy this for myself. This is definitely a above average purchase. Here it is. And instructions. So plug and file this to the side. And let's see what we got here. So in our instruction manual, BIOVYZR 1.0, pretty simple. I'm assuming you're gonna wanna read this, but you know how we do here. We don't read nothing. We just go right into it. And this looks really important, but we're just gonna keep it going. Get a battery pack, awesome. I'll let Max read that, because he'll be using this day to day, I'd assume, maybe. So it appears to have this little insert, cardboard. Trying to use my finest Canadian accent for this unboxing, like an unbox therapy. Boom, pluck it, file it to the side. All right, so now you can kind of see the inner workings of your visor. So here's your, your little gloves. So this is if you don't want to touch someone, they're built into your thing, like, hey, give me the money. Where's the COVID? Everybody put your masks on, this is a stick up. We got a big tube that goes out the back and you're connected all inside to your battery bank, which I'm not sure if the camera can see, but this is your battery bank here. So it is powered, you will have to charge it. But yeah, and this is the adult large variant. I'm a 6'5", and this thing's probably pretty big even on me. So you definitely got a little bit of a look to you. You got all these things around. So you have one filter on the back, one on the top here. What happens? Maybe I'll go to space. Tesla will show up. Elon Musk. You never know. But yeah, we're gonna put this on. It just says, "Do not remove this label." It says. So before we put the visor on the box, it does have some safety instructions here, and I did notice use the BIOVYZR strictly in accordance with the user instructions, labels, limitations of warnings. Misuse may result in serious injury, sickness, or death. I mean, I don't know if they're just saying that you're gonna catch something, you might die, but I'm gonna read it in case, so time ramp, speed ramp, whatever you wanna call it. Listen carefully to ensure that both the intake air vent and exit air vent are operating simultaneously at all times. Great. I don't know, is this like your wallet? You're like, hello. So this entire thing, I guess on the exterior, feels like a wetsuit, kind of. Feels like squishy. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's not like irritating at all, I guess. But it might get warm, if anything. So I'm just gonna go and pop it on. Am I in? I think I'm in. I don't know if I'm in correctly, but like what? Oh, this is to itch your face. Like, oh, I have an itch. Hello. So I don't think it's on. I might die of carbon dioxide poisoning, so let's figure out how to turn it on. I love how they have hang tags, like this is just gonna be at like JCPenney one day on the thing, like, oh, you know, I've been looking at it. Here's some things. Okay, so I believe this is where you connect your battery bank. Where is thine battery? It should have came with one, yes. Let us see. Is there a battery bank in the box? No battery bank in said box. It does say on the box though, I do believe. It's gotta be inside. So there should just be a battery somewhere that we're gonna have to find here. Unless Max opted out for the battery option. Yeah, so I don't see any sort of charging bank. Feel free to step in. Assistant Dave. So there's two pockets.
Nothing in here.
Yeah. Doesn't it feel weird? It feels like like animal skin. Yeah, it says it's a branded power supply. After unboxing, we realized that we didn't get the power bank, the 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that we were supposed to get.
Use this big chunk.
Yeah, so we got the Chonk RS from MyCharge Adventure. But this should still do the trick because it should have came with a USB adapter. That's all the way. So it is fairly loud. I'd say it's louder than a PC. Hello. It didn't come with like any of the stuff. It's supposed to have a battery bank. Here. Huh? I don't know how anyone's expected to hear out of this. So, Matty B, hat approved. I'm in the club. Hey, we're gonna go out because it's Corona times, you know? Oh, can't drink. You can't even drink. You need an itch? You got an itchy face? You got this little glove here. Hey, baby, call me Michael Jackson. Got the glove, yeah. I don't know what the glove's for, but all right, yeah. We'll do the full wombo here.
You know what the problem is?
What?
You got it set to M for mini, when it should be set to W for wumbo.
Patrick, I don't think wumbo is a real word.
Come on.
I don't know what attaches to where. Found something. Tighten me up, lad. Great. So the year is 2023, and this is you getting your kid ready to go to school. Cannot hear much out of this thing. I know you guys can hear me, and it sounds like an echo chamber. I can't hear nothing. What's this? Oh, thanks. All right, we'll plug in our second battery pack here. Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh, I'm breathing. It's so loud, like it just sounds like a vacuum is on next door. How does it look? Do I look ridiculous? Well, so yeah, I just feel like a spaceman in this. Is it worth $500? I don't know. Only con, we didn't get any of the electronics that came with it. You do have a battery bank, I guess, on you at all times, so you can always charge up. You do need the 2 USB-A though, so if you get an aftermarket battery bank, beware of that. I'm sure you can actually hear how loud these fans are now in the lav mic, but yeah, so that's our unboxing. I'm not gonna do a full world review because I don't know anyone with COVID that can just cough on me, and then we'll see if it works, but you know, that's what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next one. Peace! Can't even lift my arm all the way.